Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. My turn. There you go. Get out of here. That's my girlfriend. There you go. Whoop. Whoop. Come back to rescue her. Kiss and make up. There you go. Morning. Nice, cool, windy morning here in LA. Doesn't seem to bother the birds much. Fresh grass. Brought them in some fresh bread. And there's some babies starting to learn how to fly. We'll see what's going on in here. There's a white baby and a green one and another one. There's 3 in there. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be my neighbor? They're flying all over the place. Nothing like fresh grass.